If you're tired of being broke, this is the video that might change everything. I found 3 AI tools anyone can use to make money from home with no skills, no ads, no experience. Watch closely because one of them is brand new and nobody is talking about it, which means you could start making money online today without skills, without experience, and without even showing your face. And all you need are these 3 AI tools. Stay with me because after this video, you may never look at your phone the same way again. Hey friend, welcome back to Digital Wealth with AI Now, the place where we turn your phone into your first digital income machine. Now, I'm going to show you 3 AI tools that you can start using right now to make money online even if you have no skills, no followers, no startup capital, and no idea where to begin. These tools are beginner-friendly. Real people are already using them to make money, and after watching this video, you'll know exactly how to start. But let me warn you, if you watch this until the end, your excuses will disappear. You either take action or keep struggling financially. And I know you don't want the second option, so come with me, let me hold your hand. Let's begin. Section 1. A tool has shown. Is Canva Magic Studio plus AI, design without designing? Hold on, let me tell you something crazy. There are people on Fiverr right now making $30 to $100 per design and they don't even know how to design. Why? Because Canva Magic Studio plus AI now does all the work. What you can offer? You can offer Instagram carousels, YouTube thumbnails, presentation slides, business logos, ebook covers, flyers or posters, and t-shirt designs. How to do it? Come, let me show you. Step-by-step pwn. Go to canva.com, or if you have the app on your phone or laptop, that's cool. So now we are on Canva 2. Click Magic Studio 3. You can type, create a modern real estate Instagram carousel for. Canva will generate the design in seconds. 5. Download, send to client. You're paid. A friend of mine started designing YouTube thumbnails with Canva AI. No experience, no money, no skill. She posted her service on Fiverr with this simple title: I will design YouTube thumbnails using advanced AI tools. Guess what? She got her first client in 5 days, earned $35. And today, she makes $1,200 plus per month still using AI method I just showed you. If Canva can make you money without designing, imagine what the next 2 tools can do. Action 2 is AI tool #2, voiceover AI, where you make money with your voice, or without it. I believe you do open TikTok every day, and sure you used to see those TikTok or YouTube videos with AI voice narration. Those creators are making money without recording their voice. The secrets? 11labs.io. Hey Jen. Murph.ai. Tools can turn text into human-like voiceovers in ANY accent. That means you can start a faceless YouTube channel, TikTok page, or even sell voiceovers as a service. What you can do with it? AI voiceover service. Average price. YouTube video voiceover, $50 to $150. Audiobook narration, $150 to $500. TikTok, real voiceover, $25 to $60. Ad voiceover, $100 to $300. No talking needed. Don't like your own voice? No problem. Type your script. AI reads it for you. You upload. You get paid. One guy on YouTube started posting AI narrated motivational videos. No face, no voice, no filming. 2 months later, 35,000 subscribers. $1,200 from YouTube ads. Plus sponsorship deals. And the best part? You can do this too, either from your phone or laptop. But what if you don't even want to talk, design, or record anything? Well, the third AI tool will blow your mind. Section 3 is AI tool #3, Chadai, content, where AI create and sell content without you writing. AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude AI, Copy.ai can write full articles, ebooks, Instagram captions, sales pages, scripts, anything. That means you can sell written content without writing. Services you can sell. 1. Ebook creation, sell on Seller, Gumroad, Amazon KDP. 2. Instagram captions, to busy business owners. 3. YouTube scripts, people are already searching for this. 4. Blog posts, SEO writers charge $50 to $300 per article. 5. Email marketing, companies pay monthly retainers. One girl on TikTok sells AI-generated ebooks teaching skincare, weight loss, and crypto basics. She uses AI to write them, designs the cover with Canva, uploads to Selar, and makes $200, $500 per month while sleeping. Legal plus ethical. Say this as a service. I help small businesses create high-converting content using AI tools. Simple, clean, professional, no skills needed, and people will pay you. Let's pause, because I know what some of you are thinking. I don't think I can do it. I'm scared to start. What if I fail? Listen closely. The biggest risk is staying the same. Imagine yourself 12 months from now. Will you be proud, or will you be regretting that you didn't start today? Your phone is not just for social media. It is your first employee. Your first digital worker. Let it work for you. Because success doesn't need permission. It needs action. 2. These are some income strategies for each tool. AI tool: what to offer, where to sell, potential monthly income, Canva graphics, logos, thumbnails, Fiverr, Instagram, WhatsApp, $300 to $1,000, voice AI, YouTube voices, ads, narration, Upwork, YouTube, TikTok, $500, $2,000, ChatGPT or Copy.ai, script writing, ebooks, caption seller, Fiverr, TikTok, $200 to $1,500. Pick just one. Give it 30 days. Post your service. Start. Learn. Improve. Earn. That is how digital wealth begins. If this video gave you clarity, give it a like. Drop a comment saying, I'm starting today. And if you want a step-by-step mentorship, check the pinned comment. I reply to every comment personally because I want you to win. Let me leave you with this. You don't need to be great to start, but you need to start to be great. In this video, I test them live. Watch the video now to see which one failed.